Today we talk about open your save this sign on your how you can do that on your Nextdoor app. So all you have to do in the first, so you just go above your photo profile, click on it here. Then it's going to show for you a list like this. Just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list. You just click here on notifications. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Just switching to open with you here. So then it's going to show for you like this. Click here on my activity here, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. You just scrolling down here, so until you found your insights on your posts, and you disable it for email and here for app. Then here for next door notifications, just click in this sign. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean insights on your post notifications disable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.